Hi, welcome back. Another important topic useful for work and interviews. Support project real time incident understanding. It is most of the times it will be useful for all software, but I'm from SAP ECC and S4 HANA. It will be useful for all technical and functional consultant. Okay, I'm real time practitioner, certified consultant, SAP SD S4 HANA. Okay, so let's try to understand what exactly it is. Okay, so incident understanding, this is part one. Okay, so let's try to understand. Previously I have explained, so if any break or else it can be any work, it can be any form, like it might be system failure or else SAP system failure, or else it might be database issues, or else it may be like job failure, or else it can be like your configuration issue, it can be your customization issue, it can be your workbench issue, it can be something like any tweaking, like any break in your process for your business system, it will come in the form of incident. What exactly this incident? So incident is a specific recognition understanding between consultants and like your business team. It will be created, it has a gap in their work process. Okay, it need not be every time gap, it can be like some work assignment also. Okay, so what is RITM, how it will be understood, that I have already explained in my previous videos, and support roles and responsibilities I have already done. So now let's try to understand what exactly, how we can able to break through this incident process. What are the different items? Okay, so incidents can be created by different tools like Jira tool, ServiceNow tool, and Remedy. And I have given different kind of tools which I have worked previously, how you can able to identify this. There is no surprise if you are SAP consultant or technical consultant or functional consultant, and concentrate on your technical skills rather than confusing yourself in your job trials for tool understanding, incident tool. Okay, let me try to give one of the tool, probably the screens are not much clear, but I can able to give understanding what exactly happens in real time. Someone assume that someone has created. Okay, so for a particular sales order, they cannot able to enter a material that should be uh, came as an incident for you. Let's try to give an understanding this one. Okay, so what exactly it is? So this most of the time, this is the screenshot from ServiceNow. Okay, so probably you can try to understand this, you can able to applicable for whatever the tools you take. Okay, irrespective of any tool, that will come in handy, that will come in handy as part of business process. What exactly that got licensed by your business team as well as your service company. It's a different story why we want all those things. Being a beginner, you try to understand so how you can able to work on particular incident. First thing is, you can see this number. So for example, if you are using Jira tool, if you are using any other tool, ServiceNow or any other tool for that matter, you will have incident will be created by unique number. You understood with the first point, you try to identify the number. So incident number, see here two process, creation and assignment, that we will discuss later. You try to understand this. So once incident is created, so incident created by you yourself, you business send an email like this is the gap, you check with your team lead, or else your team lead, by the email which you have received or the total team, he can able to create manually the incident, or else through SAP or else any other software they're using, automatically they can able to create an incident. So if some job failures, most of the time in real times, incident will be auto generated by tool itself. Like that, incidents will be created. The first thing you understand, it will be created by you, or else on your request user can create it, or else it will be created by the system itself, incidents. And fourth one is like your service desk will create it. Most of the time service desk is the bridge between your consulting team, service company, as well as customer. They will create the incident. Now you understood what is the incident number. Next, created. Created means like on which date it is created. Today created, with created date, with time will be there on which day it is created. There is nothing surprises you. Suppose, what is the importance of created? For example, this incident created, you will have a SLAs based on your severity 1 and severity 2, priority 1 and priority 2, or else a medium, low, medium. See, incident summary report, I have already given explanation, detailed explanation, half an hour in my channel. You just try to find it out. Okay, so now state. First it will be in a new, it will be the state, it will be new. We'll discuss this when any incident created in new. Suppose this incident is assigned to you already, you started working on this, this is in progress. Okay, so we'll have like, you know, on hold, close, we'll discuss this later. Okay, this is all about the state. Okay, this is the vendor ticket number in this tool. Like, you know, there is auto generation ticket will be there. So this is the vendor ticket number. So location. So this incident came, suppose if you are working global project, is it came from Europe, is it came from Germany, is it came from Romania? All these are from Europe markets. Is it came from Czech Republic, or else is it came from uh, Argentina? Is it came from India? Is it came from Thailand? Is it came from USA? And is it came from any place of this world? The customer implemented the system, SAP system, so that, you know, by location it will be identified. For example, in real time, different teams, one team is specifically working for Europe, or else two teams working if it is a bigger project, or else a two or three teams is working for USA, and so another specific team is working for India, or else one team is working for either country wise or region wise, or else it depends the scope of the company, how big it is. Okay, this is the location. Okay, now you got it. So don't worry about this, some ID will be there. Okay, so don't get into this. Project means, like, you know, project incidents also will be there in real time, like implementation, that will come as ID. With ID, the solution will be identified. It may little lengthier one. Okay, so this is the thing. And now come to the service, sell to the customer. Okay, so this is a particular, you know, sales incident. So the service is sales and distribution. Okay, opened by SAP service team, and caller, customer care, and channel. This is like, you know, monitoring and monitoring. So like, you know, you got it, service offering, and you have a faulty or fixed item. Faulty or fixed item, this is from SAP ECC or something like that. Okay, so then this is all about brief about how the once incident came. See, on top of this, I cannot able to show. You'll have the tool name, and you will get it the name, or your employee ID, or your account ID in that project, how it will be. So this is the service now tool. So once this incident is created, for example, this incident is IN 1234567. Okay, and created on today's date. Okay, and time, certain time now. So if you have any parent incident, I will explain what is the difference between parent incident, child incident. Let's assume if it is not there, it is blank actually. So this is direct incident in progress. And suppose if it is coming from India, they will fill it. Okay, don't get into this. If this is certain uh, PPO, don't get in post processing office, that is different. I will explain you later. And project incidents are different. So it's in direct, regular, your support incident. Okay, so all these things are monitoring and assessive service, and so this faulty or fixed or something will be there. These are the statuses you have. One incident is created, like, you know, I cannot able to enter material, some XYZ materials in the sales order. That is the incident. So now let's see in next session what exactly, what are all the different elements, and in this tool we can able to fill it. Okay, so before getting into the next session, okay, so let me try to give some instruction. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe. This is my YouTube channel here. Okay, currently I have explained the support project real-time difference between RATM and incident. You try to understand this, and I have given support responsibilities. For incident level, I'm just going a little deeper to make you understand. In future, I'll try to show you some incidents also if possible. So this is my what do you call Udemy forum. So here I have one course for transportation, and this is the specific course. Is it for idocs? You can utilize this, and this an opportunity. I am a real-time functional consultant. I have explained what is the scope for real-time. You just try to do practice. Even if you cannot able to configure exactly the idocs how I explained, you try to understand, you will get understandability. And here I explained about idoc monitoring, and how you can able to resolve idoc, how you can able to reprocess the idoc, and what kind of idoc incidents you will get. You will get a bright idea about this one. You better go through this course I'm explaining you. If you are SD consultant, then I have few set of courses available at my end. Okay, so you can able to see this is also useful for every consultant getting master to write functional specification. This session also I will upload over there, and this course also. So you try this course. I'm telling you, if you are from functional consultant, you must do this course, otherwise you'll be banged in real time, no doubt. Because see, certain times you don't have project invitations if you don't have real time experience. How to write, you learn this, and I have given template, you practice it, it will be useful. So if you are interested in SAP SD pricing, I have few courses available here. Okay, better utilize this as an opportunity. I'm i'm just trying to uh, putting my efforts. And if someone, after listening my courses, if someone successful, okay, they are successful in their job trials, and please comment, that is more than sufficient. Okay, thank you so much. Jai Hind. Let's catch up in part 2, and we'll discuss this one further. Thank you, have a great day.